All right, chat. So new kind of opening. Going to buy there off the kind of opening. Basically 15 minute. Wow, this thing is pushed up too. But yeah, 15-minute closure above this range here. I believe we're gonna drive up towards 49.297 here. Didn't really need a bottom wick because the previous candle already confirmed for us a bottom wick. So gonna buy based off of that. Let me see where my stops are because let me see where that is. But I'm pretty sure. So there's our entry around there. Stop loss is likely gonna be below. Sorry, this tool is all messed up here. My bad. Stop loss is likely gonna be below 2029, and TP is gonna be 2049. All right, so that's the idea we have here, chat. There's like minor levels on the way up, which is gonna be like, I believe minor levels you have at 47. 288, like right around here, right? But you'll be breaking by then anyways. You have like more minor levels up at like 49 next after that though. But this should be a pretty clear drive because with the way the 15 closed, right? Close above this range here. Looking left, you're kind of breaking back into this range. And last time you closed above this range like this, same candle here, you drove up completely. This candle should just drive up completely towards 49.297. Literally the exact same trade as yesterday. Nothing was different. Same exact idea too, with the forward candle printing a bottom wick and all of that. Same exact formation, so it should be the same exact result, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, you'll see that getting tapped very shortly here. My entry was 46.42. Wasn't the best entry. The idea was we wanted to take it off the rip, but I mean it doesn't make a difference though because you're still expecting price to fill the range completely, right? Just keep an eye out for like 48.17 ish, like in that zone there, but it should be good. I think you just broke the highs here too, right? And this candle has lots of volume in it. You want to be out before 10 obviously, right? Because 10 a.m. is when you have news. We get up in about 5, 4, 3, 2, break the highs, 2.5. What else do you have here? 15 closure in about, or 30-minute closure in 12 minutes here. Yeah, I mean, I'm expecting us to be out before the 9:30 candle here with the way the 15 closed up. What'd you guys entry chat? I think the only way this can be a problem here is if this 15-minute count comes up, taps 47, and then flips bearish. But until you actually tap like that resistance at 47.4456, it shouldn't be an issue just yet. And then at that point, we're risk free anyways. I'm pretty sure we'll be sitting like 15 in profit. I'm not sure what we peaked there. Maybe like what, 2 pips, something like that, 5 pips. Yeah, but I don't think it'll be an issue until you actually tap into that level directly. Because they'll need to print a top before coming down anyways, right? And that's your trade idea. Yo, thanks for the 9 months, bro. Entry at 46, TP at 49, stop loss at 2029. Yeah, you're seeing that right. That is the trade. That is the trade, my friend. We're definitely seeing that right. Let me just put it on my MT5 here before I in case it just spikes or something. 2029, 2049.297, stop loss is 2029.705. All right, there we go. So what'd you guys get? 2046.31. 46.31. I had what did I get? 46.446. I didn't have the greatest entry because when I was entering, it was already pushing up. It was around here. In that zone there. Yeah, you guys probably have better entries than me because by the time I entered, I'm pretty sure it's kind of rejected, right? I'm in no bottom wick here. Not a bad thing at all. You might come down for a steeper bottom wick, but overall the 5 no bottom wick, I'm still expecting the 15 to flip and drive, right? You still have like, I think 10 minutes to the candle. But yeah, this 5 did reject and it has no bottom wick. So could that be the bottom wick for us to rip up? Let me just put this line here so you guys can see it. This would be the BE point. 2047.407 will be the BE point for you. Can we get the re-break at highs? I'm pretty sure if you re-break the highs, you should be gone up towards 47.407. Right? 2047.405. Sorry. Did you re-break it? Almost. You're about to re-break it. Just be prepared here, chat. You might see a spike once you break the highs. NYC open in 9 minutes as well. I think TradingView broke the highs, but MT5 didn't break the highs. I think MT5 came like maybe, or my MT5 at least, it came able to tap the highs, didn't really re-break it. You want to see the break of 47.06 right there. Can this be right here? The break of the highs. Yeah, you broke it. Nice. So yeah, with the break of the high, you should tap 2048. And I'm gonna close full there, chat, the top of the range. So that's the idea behind the trade. Or that's the trade itself. All right. So it took a little longer to play out than I expected, not gonna lie, but overall, we understood that even looking left, right, you had to tap the highs for breaking down, right? That's the idea. Like even if you were ripped down like it did yesterday, look at all the times looking left that you ripped down towards bottom of the range, right? You rip down like here. Sorry, where's my tool? You rip down like here, right? You rip down there, you rip down here, you rip down here. Weighted price tap all 3 times to rip down. Minimum was here. Minimum was up here. Minimum was here. So the average area would be roughly in these ranges. So even if price were to reverse now on you, it would have to come up and grab liquidity up those levels. So the idea is that we're taking buys up towards those levels, understand that that's the minimum target that would tap into, right? So you had to set a direction with the 15 closure, and that was a confirmation on top of all of that. I didn't wait for a bond wick because with the way the 15 closed above the range, you kind of already printed a bond wick on the previous 15, right? If this 15 here, for instance, didn't close above 45, then you wouldn't be in because you're worried about a bottom wick. But since you created a bottom wick on the previous candle low and then you closed above, that was an indication that you're gone. And then that was a trade idea. Now, this trader is up to you now. Whatever you want to do, chat. If you want to close full, up to you. If you want to let it rock, up to you. If you want to close partials, whatever it is. But our entry wasn't the best. If we had an entry maybe at like the flip, which is what we intended to take, then sure, maybe we can grab that instead. Or we can leave runners instead. But for me, this entry was like by the time price came up to the middle of the range already. So I'm like, okay, fuck. We gotta manage this a bit more aggressively here because the chances of you surviving break evens is a lot lower compared to if you were to get a bottom wick entry or like a flip entry. You know what I mean? Because this is just the middle of a candle and this candle can do anything.